Do you frequently need to delegate confidential activities to your team and give access to your account? If so, we have the perfect solution where you don't need to share your personal credentials. With Boolebox's Functional Account, you can assign specific team members to access your account in a few simple steps. From the dashboard, go to the User section, then click on the right menu and select the Functional Account option. Now, choose the user or groups that will impersonate you. You can also add a Functional Account Administrator to manage the account assignees. Let's see how the selected user accesses your account on your behalf. From their account profile, they can simply choose the account to impersonate and are ready to act autonomously. For your safety, we also created the Audit section that keeps track of all the activities performed in your account. So be prepared to delegate your work when needed, simply and safely using Boolebox's Functional Account. It's easy and no strings attached. See you next time. Stay safe and stay encrypted.